Welcome back to the Digital Marketing for Small Business Owner course. In this video, we will be learning how we can create buyer persona for our business. There is a good saying which I really like. It goes something like, if you are trying to sell for everyone, you would have end up selling to no one. This is very true in digital marketing. Digital marketing, the core lies within understanding who is your target audience, what they want, where they are staying in online space, and how you can sell to them. This is why we create something called buyer persona. In simple term, a buyer persona is a simple way to understand who your ideal customers are. Think of it like a detailed description of a fictional customer who's for your business. This fictional person will help you to understand all their needs so you can tailor your products or service according to them. So this is the simple explanation of buyer persona. Basically, the buyer persona will help you to understand your target audience. Let's go ahead and create a buyer persona so I can show you a live example for you. You can see this is a buyer persona which I created. There are so many buyer personas on internet. You search for buyer persona, customer persona, lot of different versions will be available. I created something which is very simple, straightforward, which has all the important questions which need to be answered in your digital marketing strategy. When you apply this as a reference for any campaign you are doing, it will increase the chances of success on your digital marketing. I will leave the link for this particular template either in Canva file, PDF, and if you are interested in more versions also, let me know. I'll give you out. There are two ways you can go ahead up and fill this. One, in a digital way, you can use a PDF editor or any on software to fill it up way, or you ideally take a print of this particular page and fill it by the good old pen and paper. That also works really well. Okay, let me go through this buyer persona so you can get an idea on how to use this particular one. First, we have the age range, gender, location. Basically, these three fields helps us to understand our customers' demographics. Remember, all these values need not to be accurate. You don't need to fill everything at right now itself. For example, some information might not be knowing to you as well, but having this that these informations are needed in order to maximize our digital marketing strategy, it is always helps you on the right track for you. So remember, this information does not need to be accurate. Again, it this not information does not to be just random. Based on your experience, based on what you're talking to your customer, based on what your customers are saying about other businesses, based on what customers are saying for others, or generally while talking, it is generally a good idea to prepare this as much as accurate as possible. First, age range. Age range simply means that what kind of age range people are for your business. This is also comes by talking to them, interacting with them, or if you're running ads to the campaign, you can fill it up. So just a basic age range. This is good. We can use this to target our audience in our ad campaign and other campaigns as well. Gender. Gender basically, while who's your customer, this is does not matter for most of the business. But if you are focusing your product only for men, or if your products are only focused for teenage boys, then this becomes an important metric on our digital marketing campaign. Or if your product is targeted only for pregnant mothers, then it becomes a very important characteristic in our digital marketing. So important to mark the gender. Then we have location. If you are a small business or a service provider in one particular suburb or area, then that area is crucial because all our digital marketing methods and channels should reflect that location. Or if it's a national brand, then it should reflect the country. So depending on type of business or services you're running, this is going to be changing a lot. So these three are the major one which is going to be demographic we need. Here what I'm going to do is fill up the rest of the field also, so I can explain you and fill up the details as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my digital marketing as an example, my digital marketing agency as an example, and fill these details with you. The first question we need to answer is, what problems are they facing? This is the problem faced by the customers. Whenever a customer wants to buy a product or a service, they are facing a problem. They need something to fix that problem. So these are the problems they are trying to face. So in my digital marketing business, I have identified, I know this because when you are a business owner, you know the problem of your customers. Struggling to attract customers in competitive local market, wanting to expand their online presence, but lacking the technical knowledge. So this is the main problem a potential digital marketing client will face for when it comes to regarding digital marketing. The next question we need to answer is what they are trying to achieve. They know the problem, what they are doing it, either fixing that problem or getting a service to achieve a certain goal. So that is what we need to understand. Like struggling to attract the customers in local market, we know that is the problem. Wanting to expand their online presence but lack of technical knowledge, these are problems. Let's see what they are trying to achieve. Those are problems. Now these are goals. Trying to achieve sales and revenue through digital channels. So we know the problems on the first stage. Now we know the goals of the customer. They are trying to increase the sales and revenue through the digital marketing channels, aiming to establish a strong brand in Coimbatore with digital marketing. I already set up my target audience as Coimbatore people. Now I know that people who are in this Coimbatore trying to create a strong brand in digital space for their business. So these are goals for them. Depending on your business, these will change accordingly. Next, how do they shop? This is also very important. Your customers, how they are going to buy your product and or hire your services from the industry or from the competitors. You try to guess and focused on it, or based on your business you can determine that whether they are doing their shopping online or in store, they need to commit, or from mobile or any other way. For me here, what it is going to be, primarily it is going to be online and mobile. Since most business owners will have a mobile, they might search for digital marketing agencies in Coimbatore through their mobile devices, through using internet. So they will be using search engine a lot, or they might even discover us through a social media platform when we are running ad campaign or some creative posts regarding for this business owner. So how do they shop? Identifies like how the customers will end up buying for you, buying your product and services, which methods they will use. Next one we need to fill is what influences their purchase decision. These are the factors or the reasons which will affect their purchasing decision. So we need to identify that also. For example, here recommendation from other businesses, affordable pricing and flexible packages, and understanding the local Coimbatore market. So these are the main important. Like I have the experience of talking to a lot of my customers, and these are the mainly influences their processing decision. This is will be also different for different businesses targeting different target audience. For example, if your business's target audience is, let's say, very well settled people or rich people, then what happens there is the pricing does not matter. The affordable pricing does not matter. For example, iPhone, it is premium pricing, it is not a competitive pricing. So depending on your business, this will change for you as well. The next question we need to answer is where they learn about product and services. This is also important, like what platforms or sources they use to learn about the product you are selling or the services you are selling. Yeah, for me, it is about online searches. They need something, they need social media advertising, they need to know how to create a YouTube channel. They will go and do online searches, can be from Google to do web searches, or YouTube for videos, or Google Map if they are looking specifically to learn about social media marketing agencies who are in Coimbatore. Social media platform, this is also a really important play. We can use social media to educate our customers. So I know this from a lot of social media profiles have digital marketing channels, and they use that channels to reach to their customer, engage with them, and also to teach them. Then local business networking event, you see the point here, like not every place the customer learn about our product or service is not about digital marketing channels. A local business networking event, a local, this is a traditional marketing or traditional event, that can be a place where customer learn about product and services. When we are doing digital campaigns or digital marketing, we will use these information wisely in our campaigns to get that unique benefits in long run. Next, we need to know what are our customers interest and what they like. For example, I for my digital marketing agency, the customer, they have interest or they like the business running. They are their business owner, they are running their business, so that is going to be their interest. Or probably a startup. Most of the time digital marketing agency, I get clients who are startup, so startup idea owners, startup people who are doing a lot of work, that is going to be one. Text focused or support of new tech, they are having an interest on doing digital marketing, online presence, web marketing and everything, because they are supporting these tech for the audience, so that is also important. The next one is, how does your product and services solve their problem? We already covered what is the problem the customer is facing here, what are they are trying to achieve here. Now we need to fix the problem of how does my product solve their problem. This is also very important. For example, for my digital marketing agency, I clearly know provide customized digital marketing strategies tailored to my Coimbatore market client. So customized, personalized, tailored to this. So that is the most important one for me. My product is personalized for them. Offers affordable pricing suitable for small to medium business. My target is not going to be enterprise client or big companies. It is going to be small business to medium businesses. So I'm going to plan my pricing in a competitive level which it attracts and give value to them. Provide measurable return results and return on investment, because we will need to show the client we are giving you results, we are giving on your investment this amount of return, so that is important. Finally, educate clients on digital marketing, not only doing digital marketing to them blindly, we are actually trying to teach digital marketing to them so the client can make informed decision on their own as well. The next question we need to answer is, what might stop them from buying from you? This is also important. Like we need to know, okay, the customer is coming into our business, he is ready to make purchase, but for some factor he is not going to make that purchase, or some reason. We need to know what are these reasons, because that is how we can prepare ourselves to do better and fix these problems of the customer. So I know from digital marketing agency perspective, limited budget, most of them, this is the biggest one. So when I know the problem, I can make a solution or work around those things. Limited budget, I can adjust the flexible the amount of services I provide according to their budget. So I can have a very budget friendly service plan also, which does a lot less, but it is according to their budget. So I know these are the limitations. Skepticism about digital marketing, so I can show them the results of digital marketing. Lack of understanding about long term benefit, I can show or give use cases on results, everything. Preference for traditional marketing methods, I can try to explain how digital marketing is better than traditional marketing. So these are the main points the customers might not buy from you. Finally, a one main message resonate with them. This is also, we can say it as a tagline or the main line for your business. In one line, if you want to explain your business model to your customer, what is that? Grow your local business in Coimbatore with digital marketing. That is the simple form. I want to target my audience is Coimbatore minus digital marketing. I will help them to grow their local business. So this is how you prepare the buyer persona worksheet. This is very important in your digital marketing career. You want to know how to prepare this for your clients, or if you are a small business owner, you need to prepare this by hand. You might see how this is going to be helpful. I'll show you step by step when we are doing SEO, when we are doing search, social media marketing, when we are doing content marketing, any type of marketing channel, we are going to be referencing back to this persona worksheet, and I will give the link in the description. So stop watching, don't watch the next video. Take this template, try to fill this as much as possible. You can also leave some fields empty if you are not sure about how to fill it right now, but do this before moving forward to next video, where I will show you how you should set up smart business goal. Because without smart business goal, you are just going to launch arrow without any targets. It's going to be going anywhere. You need to have a target. So I will show you how to set up smart goals for your small business digital marketing.